Hey, what's up? What's up? My name is Lonnie, and thank you for coming by Playbook Affiliates. So, today I'm going to be doing day 2 of my 90-day case study of My Lead Gen Secrets and ClickBank. So, My Lead Gen Secrets is a automatic 100 emails per day system where you get these leads and you'll be able to sell them to, use them for marketing on ClickBank, JV Zone, different places like that. So my case study is going to be simply on ClickBank and My Lead Gen. The one cool thing about My Lead Gen is not only can you get sales from the products that you're promoting, but you also can get sales from My Lead Gen itself. So how it works is you can buy an account and it will give you 100 leads. You can buy multiple accounts and they will all give you 100 leads as well. But here's the trick. If you link these accounts together, instead of getting 100 leads per day, you'll get 200 leads per day. So I'm going to show you how that part works. So first you got to have 5 different emails. So if you have this, I'm using this as an example. Email 1 connected with email 2, they'll give you 200 leads, and the other account 200 leads. That's as many leads that they'll give one account per day. The same thing if you link account 3 with account 2, they'll give 200 there, 200 there, so on. Same thing here, 4 with 3, 200. Now, most people start with, I would say, a good number. If it's in your budget, I would say start with 5 accounts, but this is how it works. So you would initially start by paying $30, and then every additional month, $60, and every additional month it'll be $30 per account. So if you start with 5 accounts, it'll initially start out with at 600. Now here's the thing: you don't have to buy all the accounts at the same time. You can just get them as you grow or as your budget permits. But I'm starting with 5 accounts myself, and I'm gonna work my way up to 10 accounts. So here's how it's gonna go. So basically, you'll get 7,000 leads per day. So I started this a little while back. I didn't stick with it. I was kind of doing a bunch of other stuff and do it a little bit, quit a little bit, do it a little bit. So my results were kind of all over the place. So what happened is I came across 2 guys in particular. One guy's name is Michael Day. The other guy, I can't remember his last name, but it's Chris. I think his program's called was it I Business Leads or something like that. I Build Leads. I think that's what it is. But anyway, I seen them, and both of these guys have been at it, and they're making consistent money. So I wanted to do something where, for me, if I made an extra $100 or something like that a week or every day would be awesome. But at least every week, that'll be just some extra income that takes off little bills or whatever. So anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and go across. So this is how the system works. I'm going to go to ClickBank. So I chose the live chat jobs, and this is its payout like $67 on average. I haven't seen that yet, but I'm assuming it's coming. Most I've seen was like 40 some dollars. Mostly my deals is like $30, somewhere in there. But anyway, here's the thing that I've done. So these places all give you what they call swipe files. Here, swipe file. Basically, it gives you what they recommend to write for an email. And so you're going to take this information and put this as in an email, and then you'll send it out with your link back to the product. So that's what we're going to do here. I've actually already done it for the day. So I go there and show you. So I'm going to show you a couple other little tricks. So first thing first, you need to have these little squiggly brackets here, and what that's about is it tells the other it goes into your email server, and it'll say, I'll just use my name. Hey, Lonnie, would you like to unlock the secrets of digital? So it would say whatever that email was subscribed for, it'll say that name. So here's the email, and this is the way it was set up. So I found something out very quickly, and I found this out from someone else. I can't take credit for it, but the more real your email looks, the better the conversions. So I put my picture here, my name here, my email account. I also added a Google phone number, which I've been starting to get some text message from. I actually have a offer I'm going to be placing here. It's not fully done, but I just went ahead and put the email up. But this is the way it's set up. And also, I also promote My Lead Gen Secrets itself. So you can make money off of My Lead Gen Secrets by every person that registers and sign ups for My Lead Gen. You get an extra $5 per month for everyone that they signed up. So that's a good little deal. So it goes like 4 levels down, but you can look that up on the other side. I also have a link in my description for you to take a look at it as well. So this little trick here I'm going to show you. So basically, you create your email. This here leads to your ClickBank product, and then from here, I'm going to show you how I added this. I use this, and it's a free service called signaturehound.com. And basically what you do, you create this same signature right here. Then you'll go to your signature bound down here, and you'll copy and paste it. And so I'm going to go back over there to My Lead Gen, and let's pretend I was making the email. Let's go in here. Sorry. Uh-oh. It logged me out. So anyway, so you'll go in here, and let's pretend we were making the email. So you will hit add all your accounts. Let's just say I was loading that one right here. Then after that, the body, I'm gonna delete this. So right here, I'll delete this just so I can show you. So it's deleted. And then that code that I just got, I'm gonna plug it in right here. There's my code, and there's everything. The only thing I would do, let's bring it up so it looks a little closer and puts it all together. But so then, if this wasn't the beginning of the day, I would have hit preferred timing. Then I would have hit a submit button, and then this would have went off with the emails for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and click into my ClickBank account. So just so you know, I started this. I started doing this, I want to say around the 23rd, 22nd over here, and I got a couple sales in. So, and then here's what else happened. Let me hit that. So you see, I have a couple accounts. So this was a newer one. So open that bad boy back up. All right, so you know it was fresh. So anyway, I started getting a couple sales, and life kind of got in the way over the weekend and the last couple of days. So I wasn't really sending out emails, but I kind of got back on track. I want to say Monday or so, and then boom, I saw this one, $49.84. So that's sparking me now to really start getting serious about sending these leads out every day. I mean, the one thing I can say is this is a simple system. Copy and paste the emails and put it into the form, and then let it do what it does. Here's one thing I do want to say. When you get some of those emails, what I like to do is like to use ChatGPT, and I'll rewrite the emails a little bit myself. So makes it a little bit more unique, because I think that there's enough people that have done this. So some people have seen that email 100 times over. So making your own emails from ChatGPT can really help, and I think that'll help your conversions. So for me, that's it for today. I'm excited about this here happening yesterday, and I'm going to start getting some more. So I'm going to be pushing these emails real hard, and then kind of going from there. One thing I will say, I know me, and I know the kind of person I am. I will be doing my very best to post from Monday to Friday. Saturday, I got to take the off. I do what I do. But anyway, I'm going to be posting Monday to Friday, and then let's see how that works. And then we're going to go 90 days and see how it is. All right, see you guys on the next one.